We love our Vant panels. I will tell you a secret that I bet you wouldn't have been able to guess, but first, I want to show you how classy these panels are. We needed something that would cover most of the wall space and offer symmetry while being as close to the wall as possible to maximize our space. Often headboards take up a few extra inches of unnecessary space, so we wanted to eliminate that as much as possible. Okay, so back to my secret. Right over here behind these panels is a large window that we wanted to cover. That window was placed in such an awkward place and had no symmetry for the room, and it was a lower window so the kids would climb on it, and that always made me nervous. So we just needed to do something about it, and these panels were the perfect solution. These panels are so easy to slide in and out, and every now and then we take some panels off to access the window to let it ventilate and to clean it up. The color we have is the vintage white leather, and it's got a bit of texture to it, so it doesn't look too plain. We also got the Vant platform bed frame as well to give it the complete vibe of a modern, minimalist, clean edge design. This material is easy to clean, and that's one of our purchasing non-negotiables because we have young kids. A gentle wipe goes a long way. We got enough panels to cover almost the entirety of the wall. We find it makes the room look even bigger with the horizontal boards, and I really like how the pot lights shine on the panels. It just completes the look. We have had this set up for about 2 years now, and we love it and get so many compliments on it because it is so unique. We recommend these panels for their sleek, modern, and minimalist design.